In this tutorial, we're going to create a text reveal, just like you see in the very beginning of this video, where you have the bus going by, and it says "missed the bus" at the very end. The bus covers it up, and it reveals it as it drives past the text, revealing the text in behind. So let's begin. So you're going to drag it to the first track. Insert video track. Copy. Paste it. And let's insert a track in the middle. Go to media generators, legacy text. Use the same length. I'll call this the bus. Now let's mute this track so we can see where we're going to put the text here. Let's go to properties, make this text bigger. It's good. Under effects, just draw an outline around it. Unmute it. Actually, keep mute for a second. Let's find out where we want to start this. Because we have to do some masking. Okay, right there. I'll go to Event, Pan and Crop. Select Mask. Select the Anchor Creation tool. And then start masking. It doesn't have to be 100%. Because the bus is moving so fast, you're not going to see it if there's little mistakes in your masking. It's good. So we got a keyframe there. Let's go to the rectangle tool. Smooth it a bit. Move it along. Move it along. Move it along. This won't take very long because it's going to go fast. You can use the arrow keys for your keyframes as well, but I'm just using the mouse just for demonstration purposes. It makes it go faster. Take it right off the screen. Close it. Unmute this. Then you play it back. It reveals the text. That's all there is to it. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.